Yeah.
I am not much of a meal prepper, but one thing that's helped me is to make salad dressings in large batches. This tahini dressing is a favorite. To make it, combine 2/3 cup tahini, 2/3 cup white balsamic vinegar, 1 1/3 cup water, 1 cup olive oil, 2 teaspoons salt, a half teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes, and 2 teaspoons maple syrup in a blender. Puree until smooth, taste, then adjust to taste with more salt or more water if the dressing is too thick. This recipe will give you at least 5 cups of dressing and will keep in the fridge for weeks. This is a salad I've been loving. Greens, radicchio and endive, roasted cauliflower and delicata squash, toasted pumpkin seeds and dried cranberries, all tossed together with a tahini dressing. And that's it. This dressing is so nice to have on hand. It's great for the sturdier lettuces like kale and collard greens, as well as all sorts of roasted vegetables. As always, I hope you love it. Bye.
Now, this is a salad I could literally eat every single day. Let me show you how to make it. We're gonna start by chopping and slicing our vegetables and herbs, which are 4 English cucumbers, 3 cups cherry tomatoes, 1 bell pepper, 1 shallot sliced thinly, a bunch of radishes sliced thinly too, just like that. He loves me. A bunch of dill leaves, parsley leaves, and some mint. Now we're gonna add all of these ingredients to a very large bowl, and last but not least, some garbanzo beans for our za'atar vinaigrette, lemon juice, olive oil, honey, za'atar, salt and pepper, and garlic. Blend really well. Just look at that color. Pour on top of our salad. Mix really well. Now this beautiful salad can be eaten by itself or with some toasted bread. You're gonna love this one.
This is roasted sweet potato salad. It's tangy, caramelized. Peel the sweet potatoes, cut the potatoes in half, then into sticks, and finally into 1-inch dice. Transfer them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, season them with extra virgin olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Then give them a quick toss, arrange them on a single layer, and bake in a preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until browned and fork tender. While the potatoes cook, we're gonna prepare the dressing with extra virgin olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, Dijon mustard or American mustard, honey or maple syrup if you want to make it vegan, salt, and black pepper. Close it, shake it, and set it aside. Into a large bowl, add some green leaves. I'm gonna add arugula and watercress. Then add diced avocado, finely chopped red onion, dried cranberries, chopped walnuts, pepitas or pumpkin seeds, and the roasted sweet potatoes. Then optionally, you can sprinkle with crumbled feta cheese or dairy-free feta cheese. Drizzle with the honey mustard dressing.